Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday. Today's video is going to be 2 items that I have come across that I have tried and used, and I am on more than 1 bottle of each of these. These are fantastic if you're on keto, low carb, Optavia, Weight Watchers, whatever plan you're on, but being on keto, I am very conscious of watching my sugar intake and keeping my carbs low. So I was in Walmart, this is not that long ago, probably a good month or 2 ago, found this product, I'm hooked and I'm obsessed, and I wanted to share it with you. So this first item is this. It's steak sauce. It's by Primal Kitchen. And this is totally organic, sugar-free, no soy, no GMO. It's fantastic. If you like A1 steak sauce, this would be for you. I want you to look at the label here. It's got the USDA seal on it, so it's certified organic, which is so important. And then you'll be able to see that it's Whole30 approved. It's got sugar-free, no soy, paleo. It's got the other GMO label on it. It's fantastic, no soy. So in this, if you have 1 tablespoon, it's 10 calories, and it's got 100 milligrams of sodium. Other than that, everything else is 0. This product, guys, when I tell you, on top of chicken, on top of steak, on top of burgers, on top of bacon and eggs. I know it sounds disgusting, but it is so good on bacon and eggs. Definitely give this a try. I want to try putting a roast in my crock pot and using this as the liquid to see how that would come out. I don't know, I haven't done it yet, but that is something I want to try. So I would definitely seek this out. It's a couple of bucks at Walmart. I believe you can find this online as well. This is a brand new bottle, and I am so excited to dip into this later. So I'm gonna make a shrimp stir fry tonight, and I'm gonna add a little bit of this in it. I don't know what it's gonna taste like with shrimp, but as soon as I got my hands on this again, I had to try it and eat it, and I haven't opened it since I got it. So this is bottle number 2, by the way. I've bought this probably about, let me see, where are we now? We're in January, probably around October. So yeah, I'm excited. All right, so the next product. This is an oldie but a goodie, guys. I cannot find this product anywhere but Walmart. I don't know why. My regular grocery stores don't carry it. Whole Foods doesn't have it. Trader Joe's doesn't have it. It is the old pickle relish. But what do you notice here on the label? You notice that it's dill relish. You notice it doesn't say sweet pickle relish. Sweet pickle relish is everywhere. It's loaded with sugar, and it's in every grocery store. This, my friends, Walmart carries. Look at the size of it next to my head. This is so hard to find because it's literally just chopped up pickles, and it is such a great addition when I make a cheeseburger. And now that I'm back on keto, I can put bacon on it and some mayo on it and some sugar-free ketchup, and this just completes it. Dill pickle relish. Let me know in the comments if you can find dill pickle relish, because in my area here, I have such a hard time finding it. Walmart carries it, and let me tell you, I'm excited. I've been using this for, like, I don't know, over the summer I had a big bottle of it, but there's so many new subscribers. I just wanted to share this because, like I said, you know, unless you really read the labels, it's very easy to buy the pickle relish that's sweetened and it has sugar in it, and that will just destroy all of your efforts. So go get yourself some pickle relish. Make sure it's the dill kind. Go grab yourself some of this Primal Kitchen steak sauce. I'm not sponsored by either company. They're just 2 really good new keto products for some of you. They're not new to me, but they are such a good find. So wanted to share. I hope you all have a great day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.